If you are a businessman or a content creator using Instagram for your content purpose or business purpose, in this video, I am going to share with you 2 quick hacks of using Instagram which will make your life easy. Hello everyone, my name is Mohit and welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be the part 2 of this kind of video where I am going to share with you Instagram tips and tricks for content creators and the people who are using Instagram for business purpose. A couple of days ago, I created first part of it where I shared 3 tips and tricks in which I talk about saving hashtags. If you are using Instagram for 2-3 different accounts and posting on 4, 5, 6, 7 times in a day, how you can save your hashtags and save your time and energy over it. Second one was related to the Instagram stories, how you can use hashtags on Instagram stories and taking benefits of it and still hiding from the people, those hashtags from the people who are going to see that story. And third one was related to the scheduling your Instagram stories and post with Facebook, not with the third-party software. How you can use Facebook to schedule your Instagram stories and post, and be away from your phone and system, and still the Facebook will do his job about posting on the time and correct time. So these were the 3 tips. In this video, I will share 2 more tricks with you of using Instagram. First one is related to the Instagram stories. How you can use green screen effect in Instagram stories to make your life little bit more easy. I explain this point trick with an example to you. Suppose you are stuck in a traffic or sitting in a car or sitting somewhere and you just got an idea about which you want to talk about your followers or your audience. Now when you open the camera, you see that this is the kind of background you don't want for this kind of story. So now what you can do, here comes the green screen effect from the Instagram. What you just need to do, go to the effect side of it, go to the effects and scroll it down and search for green screen from Instagram. The results will pop up. You need to select one result out of it and you will see that you have a green screen in the background of your image or your camera. Okay, so now what you can do, you just need to click on the add media option there, and now you can put any kind of image or any kind of any kind of image which suits your Instagram story that you're talking about. Suppose you're talking about something motivational, you can use that kind of image in the background. Suppose you're talking about something technical, you can use that kind of image to in the background, which will give you more feel, which will give your audience more feel about the story you're talking about. So green screen effect is amazing. You're sitting anywhere, but you can use that effect and use it to your purpose. So this is the first step for the today, green screen effect from the Instagram. Second tip is related to the save the replies. If you have used WhatsApp business account has this amazing feature of saved replies, in which you just need to type one word as a shortcut, or maybe automatically it will also send, and the whole template will be there and the whole template will be pasted, and you just need to click on the send button. Same thing happens in the Instagram also. What you just need to do, you need to go to your profile, go to the settings option. In the settings, you will get an option of creator. Click on that and you will get the option of saved replies. Click on that and you need to create your saved replies. Now if I give you my example how I use it, so I am running a social media agency, okay, and every time people inquiring about my services or asking different question about my services, so I don't want to write 3-4 line or 5 lines every time there are people asking. So what I need to do, I can save the template for it. I just need to give it a name, that what is the purpose of it. So if I create one template with the shortcut word of inquiry, okay, I create one and I write the whole template there. I will write about my services, I will write about my contacting and how you can contact me for different services, or everything what I need to include in those services. So next time if someone is asking for it, I just need to type one word as an inquiry and whole template will be there, and you can just paste it, and you just need to click on the send button. So what this will happen, how this will help you in first saving the time, and second, suppose you're sitting somewhere in the middle of something, doing something, and every time people asking you just need to write 1 line and 2 line and 3 line. So this not looks professional completely, and every time this thing will happen, that you tend to forget things, or you sometimes forget writing this, or sometimes forget writing that. So this will not happen. You will have a saved template for that. You just need to type one word and whole template will be there. You just need to click on the send button. So for business purpose, for agency purpose, service purpose, you can use it in a different purpose. Okay, so these are the 2 tips and tricks I wanted to share with you people. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this will help you in some way, will make your life easier using Instagram. And if it is adding any value to you, please hit that like button. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, do that, and put that notification button on, so that you will be notified about the next video next time. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye bye for now.